Today we are going to make crispy mouth-watering Mangalore buns. So for that you'll need a few bananas, 4 of them, the small size, and you'll have to take all-purpose flour, that's also known as maida flour. To this you're going to add baking soda, about 3/4 of a spoon, and then add in sugar. Now sweetness totally depends upon how sweet you want it, if you want it too sweet or not too much. And once you're done with that, you are going to add cumin seeds, also known as jeera, and then finally rice flour. Now let me tell you, I have not given the measurements because they will vary once you have added curd in. So depending on the consistency, while you mix all of this together, you will have to add in rice flour and all-purpose flour accordingly. So once we mix all of this together, you have to ensure that it forms a dough which is neither too sticky nor too hard or tight. So mix all of this together. See that you have got the bananas fully crushed while you mix in, and then this is how it should be. I have transferred it into another vessel, and can you see it is not really very sticky. You can wait for 2 hours and then make it, or you can keep it in the fridge and then do it the next day morning. Then simply form small balls and then the size that you desire. The approximate width of it should be about 1/4 of your finger. Once you have formed that, you will put it in oil for deep frying. Yes, this is one bad thing of Mangalore buns, is that it has to be deep fried in oil. Once you are done deep frying this thing, remove it from the oil. Ensure that you keep on turning it, flipping it over and over so that it does not burn. And your hot Mangalore buns are finally ready. Do let me know in the comments how did you like the making, and if you are new out here, please do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.